Hello friends, in today's video I'm going to show you how to change camera mode in Roblox. First of all, launch any game in Roblox and wait for it to fully load. Once you are inside the game, look for the Roblox logo at the top left side of your screen. This will open the in-game menu. Next, tap on settings from the in-game menu option. Here you will see the camera mode setting right away. Now, under camera mode, you will have three main choices: Classic, Default Follow, and Follow. The Classic mode allows you to move the camera freely by swiping on the screen. Default Follow keeps the camera mostly behind your character but allows for some manual adjustment. The Follow mode keeps the camera locked behind your character at all times for a smoother movement experience. Choose the one that feels more comfortable for your gameplay. If you prefer full control over your camera, Classic is the way to go. For a more balanced view, try Default Follow, and if you want the camera to automatically track your character closely, go with Follow. Once you have made your selection, exit the menu and resume your game. The game will be applied instantly, and you will notice the difference in how your camera behaves as you play. And that's it. Now you know how to change camera mode in Roblox. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. And make sure to tap the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.